Yes.
How do you jump out of, oh, it's not actually important when you're so heartbroken?
Okay. So let's say that you lost money, and you will be heartbroken only if you will secretly believe that you did not create that money.
That you did not create that money? What do you mean?
Yeah. So if I created that money, if I have a printing machine, I'm a printing machine, yes? So
Mm-hmm.
I can print money. So if I lost money, it's not a problem. The machine can work a few more hours and print more money.
Yeah.
If
Yes.
if if I'm the coolest, most amazing guy in the universe, and a
Mm-hmm.
lady leave me, now there's another 4 billion ladies that definitely, at least half of them are better than her, statistically,
Mm-hmm.
and they
Uh-huh.
all want me. So if she leaves me, thank you. So she will not leave
Uh,
me
yeah.
because I don't
Yeah.
hold. What does it mean if you try, if you resist something, you will inherit what you resist. Because what does it mean, resist? When I resist something, I have to hold it close in order to avoid.
Mm-hmm.
And you become what you resist, because you push and push and push and push and push and push until you really share the same space, and you become what you resist. So if I'm resisting her not leaving me, she will for sure leave me.